What is up, YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install MS-DOS 6.22 in VirtualBox. Now, MS-DOS 6.22 is required for pretty much older Windows versions up to Windows Me, or at least Windows 95. So, there you go. Also in some of these beta builds as well, and they also use that particular version for Windows 3.1 and Windows 3.11, all that. So let's get started. There will be VirtualBox, the WinRAR PC direct link to get the floppies, or I will provide them in my Google Drive using a zip file. So that's how to use it. And you're also going to need WinRAR if you download that file from WinRAR PC. So let's get started. Just hit new and type in MS-DOS 6.22. And you want to make sure that it's set to DOS as the version and other as the type. Just hit next. I'll go down to 4. Because you know what? Let's put 16 since we're not going to install any Windows versions. Next. Create. I'll do VHD in case I'll give you guys a hard drive. Next. I'm actually going to change it to at least 50 megabytes, because you don't even need too much space on this. I hit create, then hit settings, storage, click on the floppy drive, and then click virtual floppy disk file, and you want to make sure you look for your MS-DOS images along with that CD-ROM driver. It's going to be disk 1 as the first one. Just hit OK and then hit start. I put 50 megabytes of disk space because you don't even need too much for this. Just hit enter, enter, and then hit enter. Now, if you're doing Whistler builds or any other build that requires a BIOS date, you just go to date and time, just hit enter. It's going to tell you the date and time, and you want to make sure you change the BIOS date to whatever you set it to. Not going to do that because we're installing MS-DOS. And now let's set disk 2 in here. You're going to need 3 floppy drives or floppy disks for this. Now you're going to unmount the floppy disks. Just hit enter and then hit enter. Then what you can do is right click here and then hit choose disk image and look for your CD-ROM driver. So hit A:, then type in setup.bat, then hit enter. And now when you hit before you hit control delete, right control delete in VirtualBox, eject that floppy disk and then hit right control right delete, and now you should see something like this. The ATAPI CD-ROM driver. So there you go. That's how to install MS-DOS 6.22. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon when I upload new videos or make a live stream. That way you can get notified when this content or any other bus content shows up. I do mostly bus videos. or training videos if I was like a rail fan person for the day. And also, you can follow me on Twitter at RubenAparicio17 or Instagram at RubenTheTransitFan. So that's how to install MS-DOS 6.22 in VirtualBox, so I'll see you next time.